So friends, let's start with today's recipe. Now here I have 1.5 cup of parboiled rice. This is 1 small capsicum diced fine, 1 small carrot diced fine, some French beans diced fine, some spring onions diced fine. This is half a cup of cooked and shredded chicken, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 egg which is beaten. This is some green chilli, garlic and ginger. This is 2 teaspoons of schezwan chutney, 2 teaspoons of soya sauce and 1 teaspoon of vinegar and some salt to taste. All ingredients will be in the description box below. Now I'm using sesame oil or tel. You can use normal cooking oil as well. So I'm going to heat a pan. I'm going to add the oil and we're going to cook on high fire. So first I'm going to add the ginger, garlic and green chilli that I've chopped really fine. We're going to fry this really well on a high flame. So I'm going to make this fried rice on a really high flame because that way it gives you that real authentic taste. And the sesame oil or the tel really enhances the flavor. Next, I'm going to add my diced capsicum, diced carrots, diced French beans, and I'm going to saute all of this really well. Now, when you cook this on a high flame, the veggies still continue to remain crunchy and they don't become soft. That's what we're looking for this fried rice. Now I'm going to put all the veggies on one side of the pan and I'm going to add the beaten egg, and with the same fork that I've beaten the egg with, I'm going to scramble it in the hot oil. So scramble it really well in this manner. And once it all gets scrambled, you're going to just mix it up with the vegetables and you're going to fry everything really well. You can increase the amount of egg as well if you like more of the egg in it. So fry all of this on a high flame really well together. Now the egg has become nice and fluffy because we've beaten it up. So beat the egg really well for at least half a minute and then add it to the pan. Next, I'm going to add the shredded chicken and you're going to mix this in well. Fry everything on a high flame really nicely together. Now we're going to flavor it with a little bit of pepper powder. Now I'm going with half a teaspoon. You can add more if you like the taste of pepper. Now we're going to add the schezwan chutney and mix everything well together. Now I'm going to be adding the rice. So I'll leave a link to my video on how I cook rice to get it parboiled. It's super simple. So you just wash the rice, and you can use basmati, you can use kolam. Wash the rice really well and bring it to boil it in water, like double the quantity of the rice, and then you just bring it to a boil. And then you keep checking the rice with a spoon to see that it's just really, just a little bit undercooked. And then you just drain it on a colander. And that's how you make parboiled rice. But I will leave a link so you can see the recipe. And now I'm going to add some salt to taste. Mix everything well. And now we just have about 3 ingredients more to go. Now I have a recipe for how to make Hakka noodles. I'll leave a link below. Now I'm going to add the soya sauce and the vinegar. So I just mix the two together and I'm going to add that. So you can adjust all the sauces, the vinegar according to your taste, more or less. And now just fry everything really well on a high flame because we want everything to come together. And you can see how lovely the color of the rice has changed with the soya sauce. And now all I'm going to do is just garnish it with some spring onions, and our lovely chicken and egg fried rice is all ready. This is a great tiffin item. This is a great anytime, you're just hungry and you have all these ingredients at home, just put them together. And I'll leave a link to other recipes as well, so you can go and check out all my recipes. So do visit Akshata's recipes and do share my recipes with family and friends. And do let me know how you like this recipe. It's a quick, easy and delicious fried rice recipe. Thank you for watching, guys. videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.